I'm going to show you how to make your net. So I'm going to start by drawing a straight line. Then I'm going to use these Lego pieces. So we're going to make a cube. So this is going to be one of the faces. And when I put it down, I'm making sure the lines match up. So, and then is it here? So there's 6 faces, so you need to have 6 squares drawn on here. It's important that the lines line up. I'm going to use a smaller piece for the flaps, so I'm going to draw a flap everywhere that the two faces join. So there's going to be one flap here, and that's going to join that side with this side. I'm going to just use a highlighter just to show that that's a side that I'm going to fold. I'll draw another one here. And again, I'm going to draw, that shows that that's a side that I'm going to fold. So here we go. This square is going to draw, this square is going to draw, this side is going to join this side is going to join this side. So we need flaps on this side as well. And then a flap on this side. And so again, this side is going to join this side, so we highlight those because we're not going to cut them out. So then this side here is going to join this side, so I can put the flap on either side. I'm going to put it on this side here. So that gives me my straight line, and then I just angle it a little bit. And then I need to join this side to this side here. And this side will join this side here. Again, I'm going to just highlight the sides so I know I'm not going to cut those. I'm also not going to cut this one. That's a fold. That's a fold. This one's another fold. That's a fold. That's a fold. So that's all ready. So when I cut it out, I'm going to cut along here like this. So I'm following the outside of the shape. So let's do that. When I cut it out, you'll see that I keep turning the page so that I'm always cutting in front of me, keeping the scissors in the same place. If you want to, you can just chop that bit off if it's getting in the way. So remember, you're not cutting any of the highlighted blue lines. Again, if you end up with a big bit that's getting in your way, just chop it off. Keep turning the page to make it easier for you to cut. And there you have the net, and then all you have to do is where there are blue lines, just fold it. So I'm using the ruler, fold it along, fold it up, fold it up there, fold it there, fold it there, and then we just need to do the flaps on this side. And then it will fold together like this. So we just need to glue it together. There's your net. That will be your cube shape when it's glued together. And that's what it looks like. Remember, the blues are the folds.